Hello, I'm Kate. I'm Pattern Production Director here at Sallie Tomato. And day 13, we have an extra special item that is just going to be so much fun to work with. Day 13. These brand new and carefully selected items will leave you starry-eyed, making them the perfect fit for the last item. Today's featured item is one 13-inch by 25-inch piece and two 9-inch by 25-inch pieces of our brand new Future Dusk Faux Leather. This stunning material has a soft, subtle shimmer that catches the light just perfectly, giving your handmade projects an amazing pop. If you're new to working with faux leather, I think you'll really enjoy how soft and pliable this fabric is. It's a little bit thinner, so it makes it easier to sew. Plus, it's 100% vegan. A quick tip when working with faux leathers: skip the pins. They can leave holes in the materials, so we always recommend using sewing clips instead. To ensure your projects are long-lasting, be sure to use polyester thread rather than cotton thread. And for needles, a denim needle works wonderfully, but a universal 80-12 needle will also work for many of your projects. For even more tips on sewing with faux leather, be sure to click on the link below to visit our blog, and you'll find many more hints and details for sewing with this great fabric. Although this fabric is perfect for so many different projects, hold off and wait till you open day 14 of your Sallie Tomato & Co. box. I think you're going to love the combination. We'd love to see your creations. Share your completed projects with us using the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Box on social media so we can admire your style and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create with your Galactic Glamour supplies. Until then, treat yourself to a great making day.